All right, so we've answered parts C and D on this particular video, on the previous video, I should say. So now we go into part E. What's the 65th percentile? Look, the 65th percentile is 65% of that total this difference between A and B. So the difference between A and B is 70. We had said that before. And if I do 65% of that, I'm going to do, where are we here? There we go. 65% of 70, 65 times 70 is 45.5. And the odd thing is, in these uniform distributions that are continuous across, all examples I found did not round off. So we're going to keep it as it is with the decimal. 451. Now, here's the part that I think might confuse kids. I think that 65% of 70, 0.65 times 70 is 45.5. I think that's pretty understandable. But now I throw like a little bit of a curveball at you, and all of a sudden I start saying, but wait a minute, you got to add in 451. That's because you start at 451. You don't start at 0. And then 65% of the distance of 70 from 451 is 45.5. So I've got to add that 45.5. That's 70% of the distance, that length of the rectangle, if you will, is 45.5. And I add that to where the rectangle starts, which is 451. And I get a total of 496.55. Okay, so we have a little bit of time here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to stop at this point, even though it's an odd point to stop at. And then I'll start, and everything from here should make sense.